Yeah.
Okay. So you're simply asking a question. We are given a relationship. We are given a relationship in speed, sorry, distance and time with this function e raised to minus t, and we are given that t is either equal to or more than 0. The
Yeah.
question simply states, this is not 1, this is actually 2. Question simply states that a function is traveling some distance according to this function. The time taken by the function is either equal to or more than 0. That's quite logical because time cannot be negative. It says find the expression for the velocity of the particle. Okay.
Yeah.
So you know how we get velocity of a particle when we are given the distance traveled by the particle. We simply do one thing. We differentiate
Derivate.
both sides with respect to time. So if we differentiate this with respect to time, we get ds by dt. This will be d over dt ln 2 minus e raised to minus t. Tell me a simple thing. What is the derivation of a lone function? Ln x, ln something. What is derivation of this?
Ln x.
See, we are simply derivating a function that is ln x. Its derivation will be equal to what? You have done so many questions on this topic.
E to the power x.
No. Lone function will be equal to 1 by x.
Oh yeah, 1 by x. Yeah.
If you are differentiating lone something, that will be equal to 1 over something. So same way, you can see this value is replacing x. Okay. So as I'm again saying, differentiation of lone something is equals to 1 over something, 1 over that value that is replacing x. Now we'll differentiate that something, the value that is replacing x, because we are using chain rule here. So tell me, what will be the differentiation of this specific value? Tell me.
It will be minus e to the power minus t.
Great. Minus e to the power
Minus t.
minus t. So this is 0 minus e to the power minus t, but we also need to differentiate minus t. Okay? Because we'll continue.
Why are we doing? But we're differentiating e to the power minus t, right?
Yeah.
But why am I doing t again?
Listen, suppose you are given a simple function like this, e raised to x. Then how you will differentiate this? You will simply write e raised to x and differentiate x. Differentiation of x is 1. And in product, x has no value, so you don't show this part. But suppose you are doing a different function like e raised to 2x. Will you differentiate that 2x or not?
Yeah.
You will differentiate that 2x. Same thing we should do with minus t.
So it's
Only with
anyway
x.
0, no?
Oh, no. What is differentiation?
Because it's constant.
How can you say t is constant?
So it will be minus t only.
Yeah, it will be minus, no, not minus t. What is differentiation of x?
It's 1.
1. And what is differentiation of minus x with respect to x?
Minus 1.
That is minus 1. So simply if you find differentiation of minus t with respect to t,
Minus
that should
1.
be equal to minus 1. Okay?
Okay. Yeah.
So your final answer will be e raised to minus t divided by 2 minus e raised to minus t. Clear or not?
Yeah.
So we are done with the first part of the question. We get that derivation of,
Now again you derivated.
yeah, derivation of this thing is e raised to minus t divided by 2 minus e raised to minus t. ds over dt is velocity. This one is velocity